Jackie Ding here. Got the car ready. Everything's ready to go. Super happy. First off, huge thanks TF Works. Look at that twinning with the car. Look at that. Look at this. I love this. This is awesome. Yeah, the car is finally ready. We got a new bumper, new subframe colors, got a new wheels and tire setup, and a new diff, and a new bumper cup at the back. All prepared for us to go fast this weekend. It's pretty difficult. It's not gonna be an easy weekend. There's a lot of fast people here. A lot of guys who's done 39s before, and I'm still stuck at a 41. So how much speed we can squeeze out ourselves is gonna be really interesting to see. This is D, M, and N racing.
Yeah. Got it down on Monday.
Yeah.
It actually got locked up in 4th gear.
Yeah.
I had to take the transmission out, drive it all the way back up to Michigan in Kalamazoo, have it repaired, drive all the way back. Next day, go back to Mikey, have it tuned again. And I literally, I got done at 11 o'clock. That's why I didn't respond to you.
Yes.
Mike went off the grid last night.
Yeah, I was probably gone. They were freaking out.
Oh, ZR1. Oh, I like that. Look at that.
You need that.
You need that. Oh, look who it is. Cody Miles.
Looking good.
I think I'm pushing into corners too hard, like braking too late, and then trying to turn when I still have braking on. So the car is really not wanting to follow, wanting to turn in because I'm putting too much weight on it. So what I'm gonna try to do is start braking a little early and get off the brakes and turn. Make sure I float speed in instead of try to brake super late. I think that's the key to me going fast. It's not about braking later than other people. So yeah, that's the strategy I'm gonna try and practice on for this section coming up. Calm down, calm everything down. Brake early, get off the brakes early, and get back on gas early. That's how we drive this thing. Yeah. Okay, let's do it.
Last time attack we did this too at Mid Ohio. You crammed me in a Miata.
Yes.
Okay, so we got to keep with this theme.
Yes.
Here we go.
Watch out
fun.
for the bracket. It stabbed Matt D.
Oh.
It did.
You're gonna stuck in there.
Yeah, I'm fucked. This is
One leg is in.
open the sunroof. I don't even know if I could fit in the bolsters.
He's gonna get himself to fit in the bolsters, and then he's never gonna come out.
Can you come out?
We're good! I got this!
Oh my god.
All right, we're running laps. Let's hit it. Well, I mean, it's a little confiding, nothing too bad.
Track battle.
Yeah, look.
If you don't know about track battle, you're missing out. It's one of the best times.
I think this is the time. I think we're gonna go 39s. Not gonna push it. Not gonna try and do things I can't do, but I'll do everything that I can do. I know you got this in your little car. I know you got this in your... Come on. record thing. Bad news, I did that. Actually though, I did my record lap with that.
Right, leading off this section.
I guess that's good, that's a positive. New bumper!
Subaru 138.9.
Wow.
First flyer lap.
I tore half of its face off and it still ran a record lap.
Yeah, he's crazy right now.
Fiona, you go faster? Good. 44?
Yay!
43? 44, 5? 44, 3? Alright, get in there. Go, go, go.
Look at that big face.
Yeah. Happy days.
Wow, sad bumpers.
Sometimes you realize you've done too much. I know I have it in the car. The car is so good. I know I can do a 39.5. I just know it. I know I can do it. I can do a 39 so easily. It can do a 39 so easily. I can't. I tried so hard. It just hit a bump and then it got loose. I mean, it did the same exact thing as Tony Fuentes.
Oh no!
He destroyed his car too. Well, my bumper is really, really done for the, you know. We got a replacement coming. It's gonna cost a lot of money, but at least we'll get it back on the road. Dejected is what I feel. I pushed so hard and just wasn't meant to be. I'm gonna probably park myself today. Maybe go out, try once this afternoon. Maybe tomorrow morning. But for now, I just need a rest. I mean,
Andrew, look.
the electric Lotus Evora. Oh my god. Beautiful. Mikey! The Honda tuner. You might be able to tell from the gloomy backgrounds that it is currently raining heavily here. Well, not heavily, it's drizzling. But it was raining heavily here at Gingerman Raceway on Saturday for the bracket battles day. The S2000 has never been readier. Shout out to Speed Freaks USA for a new bumper and lip that they delivered from Chicago. We're almost ready. We're gridding up, getting ready for getting ready and gridding up for the bracket battles. First round, we're up against Charles Miller in the Evo. It'll be Type 5. In the dry times, we're pretty similar. In the wet, I have a small advantage. We'll see. Well, as long as we don't throw it off, I think we'll have it. Car's handling pretty well in the rain. I lowered the tire pressure a lot, so it should be a little more compliant and give us a little more grip. Can't wait. Let's get this on. Gotta say, that's what makes Gridlife so much fun. Always the unpredictability, you know, always something new for you to deal with. Excited to try and fight other cars and try and get this. So Chris is going out, so hope that the plucky little 8th place M3 can represent Fiona, take Fiona's effort as well, take down the big scary Corvette. last minute in-car thoughts. A little bit worried. I get pressured easily, and that's why I've taken the precautions of getting rid of all the mirrors. So all I do is drive forward. Look ahead. Drive forward. Push it.
track record earlier in the weekend with a 138.3 in that new C7 Corvette. With a new platform for him this season. Eric doing to win. Two drivers.
Lost ABS. Just lost all electronics. Lost ABS and they just went into one and just locked. So that kind of sucked. But you know, take what you can get. I guess we're taking P3 or P4.
Looks like they are in
it's
position.
okay. You know, at least I didn't flat spot the tires, which is good news. If I flat spotted these new Yokohamas too, I'd be really pissed.
But this event is so awesome, and this might be documented right now, but this is one of the best events in the world. I've been to a lot of events. So, thank you guys and gals.
Well, that will be it from us for a very eventful Gridlife Midwest. My podium streak in Gridlife finally comes to an end with this 4th place finish, and yeah, no trophy this time. I would hold something up usually and tell you, hey, we did pretty good, and this time nope, not happened. We really put up as much of a fight as we could and tried our best in the rain. Unfortunately, the rain didn't come at the right day. You know, Sunday is chucking it down now, but Saturday, if it was this raining, I think I really would have been in a shot for the top 2. Bit of a shame, but you know, no shame in no trying, and we sent it harder than anybody else out there. Set the fastest rain lap in the morning session on Saturday. New S2000 NA record around Gingerman. That's something. That's happy. Hope to share with you guys more on that in the next week, because we'll be going to NJMP for a global time attack. Until then, see you guys next time.